This is Manur, and today she is creating a beautiful piece of calligraphy. Welcome to her calligraphy series. Manur usually paints sceneries, mountains, trees, skies full of soft colors. But calligraphy, she hasn't done it very often. This is only her second or maybe third calligraphy artwork. So think of this as a little tutorial. But remember, she isn't a professional. She is learning step by step and happily sharing her journey with you. Today's artwork carries a very special name, the blessed phrase, Allahu Akbar. It means, in simple words, Allah is the greatest, a reminder that no one and nothing is greater than Allah. As Mahnur paints each stroke, she writes this powerful phrase with love and care. Every curve of the brush is a quiet remembrance of Allah's greatness. Here is a beautiful reminder for today. No matter how big our problems feel, Allah's power, mercy, and wisdom are always greater. Whenever we say, Allahu Akbar, we refresh our hearts with that truth. Look closely at the design. Soft colors blending like a sunset. Letters flowing gracefully across the page. It's simple, yet full of meaning. And that is the magic of calligraphy. Every letter carries a message. Every brushstroke whispers a prayer. This is Mahnur's painting for today. She hopes it brings you a moment of peace and a gentle reminder of Allah's greatness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss a new painting. Thank you for watching. May your day be filled with beauty, gratitude, and blessings. Until next time, Allahu Akbar.